Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Woodson. On today's episode, I would like to show you how to put password on this Microsoft application, which is Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. So please, if you are new to this channel, kindly do me a favor, just subscribe and also share this video, and as well like it. Okay, so the reason why you put a password on your file is maybe you don't want any third party or second party to come and have access to your file, or maybe the file is highly confidential. So in this case, you want to encrypt it with password so that you alone can have access to it, or maybe you are sending it to someone. You want only that person to get access to the file. So you put a password on it, then you let the person know the password so that he or she can only have access to the file. So I have a file here, so we'll use that one as an example. So first of all, we'll start with Excel. So let me open this file. So this is the file that I want to put the password on it. Yeah, so first of all, to put the password on it, you have to go to File. So click on the file. Then from the file, you select Info, which is INFO, Info. So from there, you go to Protect Workbook. So you click on it. So from the drop down, you see so many options. First one is mark as final. The second one is encrypted password, protect current sheet, protect workbook structure, restrict access, and add a digital signature. But what we are going to work with is encrypt with password. So you click on the encrypt with password. So a space will open like this for you. Then you type in your password. So maybe your password will be maybe 1 2 3 4 5. When you are done typing the password, then you press on OK or click on OK. Then you retype it again, which is, it has to match with the initial password that you typed. So I typed 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. Then you press OK. Then click on Save. So right now we are done. Let's close it and check whether the password we place on the file is actually working. So let's close it. So this is the file that I encrypt with password. So let's double click on it to open and see whether the password is on it and it's actually working. So let's double click on the file to open it. Yeah, so it has opened and it is asking me to type in the password, which means it is working. So you type in your password, which is the one I use, which is 1 2 3 4 5. Then you press on OK. That's it. Then you have access to your file. So it is very simple. So you can put password on your maybe an official document, or maybe your CV that you don't want anybody to have access to. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah. So the same thing also apply to the PowerPoint and the Word. So let's just brush our hands on it very quick. So let's locate a Word file. Okay, so let's locate a Word file like this. So the same thing applies to it. The same process, you go to file, then info. At times default it will be on info, but if it is not on it, you click on the info, come to your protect document, select encrypt with password, you type in your password, you repeat the same password again, then okay. So let's try and see. So 1 2 3 4 5, you press OK, then 1 2 3 4 5 again, then press OK. So then press on save, you close it, then you open to check whether your password is actually working. Yeah, now it is asking me to enter my password, so I'll enter my password with 1 2 3 4 5. So then I'll press OK. So here is it, very simple. Yeah. So let's move on to a PowerPoint file. And actually I don't have a PowerPoint file currently on my computer, so I'll just open it, a new file, then save it with password, and we'll see how. So let me open any template and work with it. So the same process, go to file, then by default it's on info, or maybe if it's not info, you just bring it back to info, then you select protect presentation and encrypt it with password. So as you know, 1 2 3 4 5, then you press OK, then 1 2 3 4 5 again, press OK to confirm, then save your file to your desktop or whatever you want to save it. Yeah, so let's check whether it is actually working. So I'll locate my file here. Okay, so I think with this one, let's open it again and see whether. Okay, so let's try once again and see. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, so we'll close it. Yeah, so it is actually working. So you type in your password 1 2 3 4 5, then click press on OK, and your file opens for you. So as you are watching, kindly do me a favor, just subscribe and also share this video and like as well, for anyone who want to get access to this video to also watch it and then something. So this thing is very, very important. Maybe at times you don't use your computer alone. There are so many people who get access to your computer, so I think files that are very confidential, you just need to put a password on it so that you alone can have access to the file. So thank you very much. Please once again subscribe to my YouTube channel, also share and also like as well. Thank you, and see you in my next video.